In today's video, I am going to be introducing to you websites that you can earn 0.5 US dollar or more every minute chatting online. What I know is that at the end of the week, you might be going home with 800 US dollar or more. So what I want you to do is for you to sit back and listen till the end of this video. I researched and find out more websites that you can easily earn from chatting or texting to people online. And after my research, I got more than 17 or 18 websites, but I have reduced it to 7 websites that I know that can work worldwide. A lot of them can work worldwide based on the tip that I am going to give you at the end of this video. So sit back and watch this video till the end, because I'm going to drop a tip at the end of this video. The first website I have on my list is textingfactory.com. As you can see, they say become a chat operator today. Let's go into the job. Under the job, I just want us to go through this part because all these things are workable depending on how much time and effort you put. An average operator earns around 300 to 400 US dollar per week. And I want you to know that it is an anonymous chat only, no calling or video. Work anytime, anywhere, as much as you want. No qualifications needed. Support is 24/7. If you want to register, you go to start application, you apply, then you sign in. You must be at least 18 years for you to work for adult content, because it has an adult content. So you must click that if you are 18 years and above. But if you are not 18 years and above, you don't need to click that. The next website on my list is called text121chat.com. Don't be afraid. Based on this, we only hire from United Kingdom, United States, Canada, and Australia. At the end of this video, I'm going to give you a tip that is going to help you to operate from your house. Even if you are staying in inside a port, you can be able to operate this website. If you want to get started, you just click on operators, apply here. The next site on my list is called chatrecruiter.com. In with the world #1 service for adults and psych chat hosts, and get a 10 US dollar bonus on your first payday. Start earning. Am I the one saying it? No, you go through the details. Why chose Chat Recruit? No experience needed, no joining fees, earn on your own terms. Okay, so you go through it, you click on register now, and you are good to go. The next website I have on my list is called chatoperatorjobs.com. You can go through the testimonials, go through how it works, the general requirements, questions and answers, and apply now. All these things are simple things that you can be able to do inside your toilet. As you can see, they said no experience needed. We are seeking for open-minded home admin workers to answer type messages for our chat website. All hours and days available in 0.13 to 0.19 for every message you answer on your cell phone, tablet, or PC. You can work part-time or full-time and no experience necessary, and you can start almost immediately. So all you have to do is for you to apply. If they approve your account, then you can start earning. All these things, you don't need to have experience for you to get started. As long as you can be able to chat, and reply typed messages. I know you have heard about this website. If you have not heard about this website is one of this website that you can easily earn. As you can see, they will give you a $5 welcome credit. Other websites will give you 10. This website is going to give you $5 welcome credit. All you have to do is for you to stay real. Then some of them, you know what flirting is all about. You are going to seek for a male or a female, a phone friend, then you'll start flirting. You know what flirting is all about. You enter there, if you can do it, then you are good to go. I believe that all these things works if you put more work in it. Before we go to the next website we have on our list, I want to introduce you to my business. I am into ghostwriting. If you want to learn how to become a ghostwriter, you can click on the link below to get connected with me through WhatsApp. I'm going to guide you on how you can become a ghostwriter and earn up $1,000 or more in a month. So the next website on our list is called Working Solutions. workingsolutions.com. You go through the app. All you have to do, know their requirements, then you apply to work from home. As you go through this website and discover how it works, and you start earning. The last website on my list is called Lip Service. lipservice.net / getting started. Okay, you go through this and you input your details and you are welcome to get started. So what I want to advise you, if you want to apply to some of these platforms accept worldwide. You can be inside your port, inside your kitchen, a country that is not even well known. You can start. Why some of these companies websites does not allow any other country except the one that are in European country? So for you to get started, you get what we call the VPN. If you get the VPN, then you can apply to a lot of websites that needs your help. So until then, thank you for watching this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Until then, see you in my next video. Thank you and remain blessed.